Hello guys, welcome to another lesson. Today we are going to learn how to play You Are the Reason by Calum in the easiest way. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar on standard tuning and you will need a capo on the third fret of your guitar. Let's jump to the lesson. First of all, let's start with the strumming pattern. And this strumming pattern will be used throughout the song. Strumming pattern is really easy. There are just 6 down strum. And also it's known as a triplet strum. So it will sound like this. Down, 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 down. Here we add specific accents, which makes it really sounds great. Now what is an accent? Accent means that you're going to play that strum a little harder than the rest. For example, if I'm playing an E minor chord on the accent, I will strum a little harder and more of the strings, while on the rest strums, I will just strum mostly the bass strings. So the strumming pattern will sound like this. Down, 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 down. So now we learned the strumming pattern, let's move to the intro / first verse part. We have 4 easy chord shapes. Starts with G for 2 strumming pattern, E minor for 2 strumming pattern, C for 1, D for 1 strumming pattern, and G for 2 strumming pattern. So the intro / first verse will sound like this. Now the second verse will be exactly the same, except for the last chord. Instead of G chord, we're going to use E minor for 2 strumming pattern. So the second verse will sound like this. Now we get to the chorus part, which has 2 parts of chords. In the first part, we have C, D, E minor for 2 strumming pattern, again C, D, G, and D. And the first part of chords will sound like this. Now in the second part, of course, we cut out our strumming pattern and we're just going to strum each chord once down. So the second part will sound like this. So in total, the chorus will sound like this. Then finally we get to the bridge, which is really easy. So in the bridge we have D for 1 strumming pattern, E minor for 1 strumming pattern, here in the D and G, and D, C, We split the strumming pattern and we're going to play one chord for half strumming pattern. And we're going to play the bridge for 2 times, and in the second time, in the last chord, we're going to add a D chord just for 1 down strum. So in total the bridge will sound like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you find out this lesson helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more lessons.